Welcome to this training series on QuickBooks 2010, brought to you by the Software Video Company. There's a lot to learn, so let's get started. My name is Stacy Gages, and I'll be your instructor throughout this training series. When you open up QuickBooks, you'll see this window appear here. And I went ahead and opened up some companies just so you could see what it looks like if there's any companies in here. I have one that I created. I created this one, and a sample product-based business, which I created from opening a sample file, which you have here as well. So let's go ahead and create a new company. So we can go through the whole interview here, or we can skip the interview. Let's go ahead and go through the easy step interview. We're going to start the interview, and we're going to put in the company name, and we're going to call it Noah G Designs, and that's the same, and we'll just make up a tax number, and we'll give it a street, and we'll put this in Los Angeles, California, make up a zip code, and we'll give it a phone number. And an email address. And we'll put in the web address. Okay, so we'll go ahead and go to next. If you have any questions, what if I have more than one business? They answer everything here for you. So let's go to next. Okay, I got to make up a better one here. A tax ID can be a social security number or an ID number. Okay, so what kind of business do we have now? Well, they give you all these different selections here, so you can go through and find the one that's good for you. But for training purposes, you might want to just follow along. Well, I'm going to say that this is a general product-based business. So in this business, Noah G Designs sells her fashions and clothing and stuff. So let's make it a general product-based business. And we'll select next. Now, sole proprietorship, if you read each one of these, it tells you what it is. That means you just have this business by yourself or a partnership. Well, let's make this a partnership, but this time it's not a corporation. And again, if you have a question, click on it, and then it's going to give you the answer right here. So we'll go to next. And over here you can see our process as it's going along. Okay, we're going to have it start in January. We recommend you set up a password. Well, I don't want to do that right now, so I'm going to skip that. Create your company file, next. And I'm going to go ahead and save this on my desktop. Save it. And now it's creating our company. Just take a few seconds here. So QuickBooks makes it very easy to get this set up. Now, I don't want you to feel overwhelmed with everything that's going on in the background when we get to this, because it does look like a lot of stuff, but it's really easy. Okay, now we're going to customize the QuickBooks, so we're going to go to next. What do you sell? Services only, products, or, well, we do both. Do you sell products online? Yes. I will say I do. Do you charge sales tax? Yes. Do you want to create estimates in QuickBooks? Yes. Using sales receipts in QuickBooks. And do you want to use some? Yes, we do. And right here it's telling me that this is recommended, so I'm just going to go ahead and say yes to just about everything. Do you print checks? No, I don't currently print checks, but I'd like to. I don't currently print checks, but, well, you know what? I'll just say I do. Tracking inventory. Yes, we want to track our inventory. Do you want to track inventory? Yes. Do you accept credit cards? Yes. Tracking time in QuickBooks? Yes. Do you want to track time in QuickBooks? No. Recommended for your business. I just want to have it in case I want to show you how to use it. Do you have employees? We're going to say yes, and we have 1099. A 1099 is someone that we contract out with, and we pay them and then give them a 1099, and they're responsible for their taxes. No, we don't need to do that. Using accounts in QuickBooks. Okay, this is setting up the chart of accounts, which I'm going to be going over, so we're going to select next. And we're going to go ahead and start tracking everything as of today. Add your bank account. Yes, we want to add an existing bank account. And now it's asking me for the bank name, so we'll call it Bank of Demo. And we'll put in our account number and our routing number. When did you open this bank account? We opened it up before. And now it's asking us for a statement ending, and the balance, we're just going to round it off to 10,000. And say next. Do you want to add another bank account? No, not right now. We'll do that later. And now we can review our income and expense accounts that they've set up for us. That looks good. We're going to go ahead and say next and finish. And now we've created our Noah G Designs QuickBooks account for our business.